Last week was Napa. Deep, powerful, and full of tannin. And this week, we drive west, over the mountains, toward the Pacific. We're in the same state, but the wine in the glass looks completely different. And this is Sonoma County, and this is Pinot Noir. The Pacific fog is everything here. It rolls in each morning, cools the vines, and extends the growing season. These are the conditions that Pinot Noir requires. Pour it next to the cab from last week if you still have one. And the first lesson you're going to notice is the color is so different. You've got translucent ruby against deep garnet. So Russian River Valley is the benchmark address, Sonoma Coast for more structure, and Anderson Valley for the most delicate of expressions. So here we've got silky tannins, high acidity, red fruit, and a floral list. It's a wine built for the table, not for the cellar. Thursday is salmon with a Pinot Noir butter sauce, the pairing that surprises people until they understand why it works. Napa answers one question about California wine, and Sonoma answers it differently. Both are worth knowing. Full guide is on the blog. Link is below.